Welcome to EDU World Space.
We have the initial velocity of the aircraft at 90 meters per second. We have an angle of 23 degrees above the horizontal, and we know that delta y equals 114 meters. So a suitcase was dropped out of the aircraft at 114 meters, and directly below is a dog. So they're asking us the distance between the suitcase once it hits the ground and the dog. Assuming that the dog and the suitcase are both on the ground, the only displacement here would be in the x direction between the two objects. So we can say that delta y equals vy initial times t plus 1/2 of gt squared. We're choosing upwards to be positive, so we'll say negative 114 equals 90 sine of 23 degrees times t minus 4.9 t squared. So here gravity is going to be negative. And this is a quadratic formula, so you can plug this into your TI-84, TI-85, TI-89 in order to solve for t. And we find that t is going to be equal to 9.60 seconds. This would be the time in the air for the luggage. So we can say that delta x is going to be equal to Vx initial t plus 1/2 at squared. In the x direction, there isn't any acceleration, so this term becomes 0, and we find that 90 cosine of 23 degrees times 9.60 seconds. This will equal your total horizontal displacement. This will equal approximately 795 meters. So we can say that the suitcase is 795 meters from the dog. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.